Hello boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, this is Rudy here with your yard service, and today we are here on location with a new snow removal client. And as you see, we got to do the initial cleanup. We have some packed down snow, some ice, and that's what we're gonna remove in order to start our ongoing snow removal program on this site. So I'm gonna show you what it all involves for the initial cleanup of all the loose snow, of course, and scraping of possible tracks from driving cars over it, and possibly ice. Maybe we even have to put down ice melt if the ice is too sticky in order to scrape it off. So we may have to come back for a second cleanup here once the ice melt has worked its magic and loosen the bond to the surface so we can scrape it off. But let's see first what we can do with the loose snow and scraping. Okay, as you can see, it actually comes off nicely by scraping it off. And we may not have to put down any ice melt. So as you can see, it comes off quite nice from the concrete. Obviously we do have some ice here, some icy chunks from people driving over it, but it seems like we are getting most of the ice just by scraping it off. As you can see, we have quite a big mess here just from scraping it. Now obviously we have to clear off all this stuff, get it off to the other parts of the property. You can see we have some nice big chunks here of ice, quite a few big chunks. So that's my finger. It's about like double the width of my finger. So because this is an initial cleanup, we also have to take down those high banks on the side here, especially like the height, and we have to establish the edge here to keep it all nice for the ongoing season. So we're gonna take off those banks here first, left and right along the sidewalk there. That will make future snow removal way easier and maintain a clean edge along the lawn. Otherwise, as you may see here, the edge keeps wandering inside and makes the walkways and driveways narrow over the course of the season. We don't want this happening. Same here on the driveway, the city sidewalk. Gonna establish a clean, nice edge here, left and right, and then we are good for the rest of the season. So let's continue with the regular cleanup program. Look what we got. We got a clean driveway, clean walks, and it looks beautiful. So we detailed all edges, and let me show that. Okay, see that? We moved all the snow off to the side, so we got lots of room right now to put future snow here. We cleaned up the edges right here as much as we could, and we cleaned up this big pile here. We cleaned up those edges nice. See the neighbors, they kind of like wander into the city sidewalk here, so we cleaned all this up nicely. And we took off a little bit of the snowbank here on the left and the right. And as you can see, no more ice, no more packed down snow, all clear down to surface. Beautiful. Up here we stopped taking off the bank here because there is a landscape bed. So we didn't want to do any damage there. As you can see, this sidewalk is all cleaned up, nice edges here. Took off the banks left and right to have some room for future snow. Also, what this does, cleaning up the banks, is basically make it easier for the small snowfalls where we have the backpack blower only. That way we don't have any circulation of air around the edges, which gives us clean edges all winter long. Same here, cleaned off this big pile here, and this is what it looks like from 0 to hero in a matter of a little bit of time and some labor. And this is what you got. This is the initial cleanup when we take on a client for snow removal. So thanks again, guys, for watching. This is Rudy here with your yard service. If you have a cleanup project, if you want to be one of our snow removal clients, snow and ice management for the rest of the season, give us a call, 780-218-8134, or give us an email, contact@euroyardservice.com. Hope you're having a fantastic day. Stay safe in this winter. Over and out. Talk to you next time. Bye.